friends, and thank you so much for joining me here. As I mentioned in my Valentine's Day video I uploaded a couple days ago, this has been a really busy week for me because I became a grandmother again. So at this time, I'd like to introduce you to Miss Naomi, my new granddaughter. Based on this, based on my time helping my daughter and son-in-law, I haven't had much time to create a longer video per se with crafts and the other things I love to do. So this week, what I've decided to show you is how to make rock cakes. And rock cakes it's kind of between a breakfast bun, or maybe it could also be eaten as a cookie. And as I move through the video, I'll explain a little bit more about why rock cakes were created. So until then, I will see you in a little bit, and goodbye for now. Old-fashioned rock cakes, also called rock buns, is a small cake with a rough surface resembling a rock. They were promoted by the British Ministry of Food during the Second World War, since they require fewer eggs and less sugar than ordinary cakes. And this was an important savings in time of strict rationing. Traditional recipes bulked them with oatmeal, which was more readily available than white flour. In some aspects, they remind me of what is called powdered buns, and this is a breakfast bun that we make in my home country of Belize. My son-in-law trying his first rock cake. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.